Hello guys. So in today's video we're gonna take one of this stick. It's like a wood stick they have. I'm also gonna use this candle holder. I'm gonna put a little bit of hot glue and then I'm going to place it right in there like that. We're gonna continue placing like four of these candle holder around it like that. Just go ahead, take your hot glue and then attach it into place like that until you do the whole thing. Once you do that, I'm gonna take pieces of floor foam and place it in the front like that, just to attach it like that. Just continue attaching fluorofoam all the way until you do the whole thing in the front and also in the back. Then go ahead and grab your toothpick and cut it a little bit and then place it inside in here like that. So we're just gonna go ahead and attach fluorofoam at the middle of the glass as well, like that, just a tiny little piece. And then we're just gonna go ahead and place some flour inside like that until we cover the whole thing all the way around like that. Then go ahead and grab your candle and place it inside. And this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. This is super cute and it's so easy to do. And this could be for any party decorations that you guys are doing. Now, for the next centerpiece idea, we're going to grab one of these margarita glass. We're going to place it upside down. We're going to spray paint it in gold. And then we're going to use one of this little container that I spray painted in gold before. So just go ahead and put a little bit of hot glue around it and then place the glass right on top to attach it into place. Then go ahead and fill it up with rock just for extra weight. Then put some hot glue around it like that in the glass and then place this small cutting board that they have in Dollar Tree. Just go ahead and place it inside like that. Then I'm gonna use this candle holder. I'm gonna spray paint them in gold. I'm gonna use three of these different size each. I'm gonna put a little bit of hot glue and then I'm going to place it on top like there to attach it into place. So I'm gonna put two of these candle holder and side by side, and then I'm gonna put also a small one with hot glue. I'm gonna place it right in the middle like that. Then after you guys do that, you place all the candle holder like that. This is how it turns out, you guys. So we're gonna take this fluorofoam, but we're gonna cut it into pieces like that just to fit it in there. So put some hot glue and then attach it into place like that. So we're gonna continue doing this until we do the whole thing all the way around it, attaching fluorofoam. Then I'm gonna take another one and just place the candle holder like that, and just to cut it out to make like a little circle, and then take a knife and cut out the circle. I'll just cut it out like that. Just it's pretty simple to comes out. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and place it right in the middle in there. So just go ahead and grab your hot glue like that. Make sure to place enough and then attach it into place. Then after you attach it into place, go ahead and grab your flower and we're gonna place it inside there like that. And let's not forget to use a toothpick in the flower and then place it inside, you guys. This is to attach it in there. Let's not forget to put a little bit of hot glue as well. And then attach the different little branches of flowers inside around it until you fill out the whole thing all the way around it. And then go ahead and put a little bit of hot glue on your candle if you wanted to attach it better, and then just place it inside. And this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. This is super cute, I think, for any party decorations. I think it looks so cute, so elegant, and so inexpensive, and something that you guys can do, which is super easy to do, you guys. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly. Let's not forget to comment down below letting me know which one is your favorite out of all these centerpieces. Just let me know. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly, and I hope you guys like this DIY video.